Hello friends. I present to your attention an LED light bulb for car interior lighting. The lamp base is available in two versions, C5 and C10, suitable for lighting both cars and trucks. Developed and tested over a year. The bulbs are designed to operate at 12 to 14.2 volts DC. When creating a light bulb circuit board, a CNC machine is used that perfectly cuts and mills the ideal dimensions. The lamp housing is 3D printed from high-temperature plastic, which allows it to withstand high heating temperatures. The lamp body also dissipates some of the heat, which reduces the heating of the lamp. The light bulbs are tested after manufacturing for 10 minutes with a voltage of 12 volts. Let's compare a standard incandescent lamp and an LED lamp. The incandescent lamp consumption is 690 mA. The consumption of the LED lamp is only 70 mA. This is 10 times lower than that of an incandescent lamp. Now you don't have to worry about your battery running out. We will also compare the heating temperature of the lamps. The heating temperature of an incandescent lamp is 188 degrees. The heating temperature of the LED lamp is 79 degrees. The heating of the lamp is 2 times less than that of an incandescent lamp. As a result, we get a light bulb that shines brighter, has a pleasant white light, heats up less and has a long service life. Those wishing to purchase an LED light bulb for interior lighting, follow the link to the VKontakte group. You can also ask any questions you are interested in about this light bulb and more. Shipping to different regions of the country is possible. Now you can forget the problem with dim light in the cabin. See you in new videos friends. Bye bye.